You are welcome to Nature Nurture Hub, where your love for plants grows into a thriving garden of knowledge and beauty. One packet of balsam seeds can turn an ordinary backyard into a colorful summer paradise in just a few weeks. If you are looking for an easy, beginner-friendly flowering plant that rewards you with vibrant blooms and minimal stress, balsam is one of the best choices you can make. Known botanically as Impatiens balsamina, balsam is often called garden balsam or rose balsam. It is loved across the United States for its bright pink, purple, red, and white flowers that bloom generously through the warm months. Whether you live in California, Texas, Florida, New York, or anywhere in between, balsam adapts beautifully when given the right care. Balsam is especially perfect for beginner gardeners because it grows quickly from seed, thrives in containers or garden beds, and produces showy blooms that look almost like miniature roses. In many American home gardens, balsam is grown as an annual, meaning it completes its life cycle in one growing season. But during that season, it grows vigorously and flowers abundantly, making it an excellent addition to patios, balconies, raised beds, and landscape borders. Growing balsam begins with understanding its natural behavior. This plant prefers warm weather and does best when planted after the last frost date in your region. In most parts of the United States, that means spring is the ideal planting time. Northern states typically plant from late April to early June, while southern regions may start as early as March. Because balsam grows quickly, you can enjoy flowers within 8 to 10 weeks after sowing seeds. To start balsam from seed, choose high-quality seeds and well-draining soil. You can sow seeds directly into garden beds once the soil temperature reaches at least 60 degrees F. If you prefer an earlier start, you can begin indoors 4 to 6 weeks before your last frost date. Use small seed trays filled with light seed starting mix. Gently press the seeds onto the soil surface and cover them lightly with a thin layer of soil. Water gently using a spray bottle to avoid disturbing the seeds. Keep the soil moist but not soggy. Germination usually occurs within 5 to 10 days under warm conditions. Once seedlings develop a few sets of true leaves, you can transplant them outdoors. Choose a location that receives partial sun to full sun. In cooler northern states, balsam can tolerate more direct sunlight. In hotter southern climates, especially in states like Arizona or Florida, partial shade during the hottest afternoon hours helps prevent stress. Ideally, balsam thrives in temperatures between 65 degrees F and 85 degrees F. Extreme heat above 95 degrees F can slow flowering, so providing afternoon shade and consistent watering becomes essential in warmer regions. Light plays a major role in how well balsam performs. For lush growth and abundant flowers, aim for at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight daily. Morning sun is particularly beneficial because it encourages strong stems and vibrant blooms while reducing the risk of leaf diseases. If you are growing balsam in containers, you have the flexibility to move pots depending on sunlight intensity, which is especially helpful during peak summer heat. Soil quality is another key factor. Balsam prefers fertile, well-draining soil enriched with organic matter before planting. Mix compost or aged manure into your garden bed to improve soil structure and nutrient content. If you are growing in pots, use a high-quality potting mix rather than garden soil, as it provides better drainage and airflow for healthy root development. Good drainage prevents root rot, one of the most common problems beginners face. Watering routine is critical for healthy balsam roots. These plants enjoy consistent moisture but dislike waterlogged soil. The goal is to keep the soil evenly moist. In most American summer climates, watering 2 to 3 times per week is sufficient, depending on rainfall and temperature. During hot and dry periods, daily watering may be necessary, especially for container-grown plants. Always water at the base of the plant rather than overhead to reduce the risk of fungal diseases. Early morning watering is best because it allows foliage to dry quickly. Healthy roots depend on a balance between moisture and oxygen. Overwatering suffocates roots and leads to yellow leaves, drooping stems, and fungal problems. Underwatering causes wilting and reduced flowering. To check soil moisture, insert your finger about 1 inch into the soil. If it feels dry, it is time to water. If it still feels moist, wait another day. This simple habit prevents most watering mistakes. Fertilizing balsam encourages lush foliage and abundant blooms. Since balsam is a fast-growing annual, it benefits from regular feeding. About 2 weeks after transplanting, begin applying a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength every 2 to 3 weeks. Alternatively, you can use a slow, release granular fertilizer at planting time. Avoid over-fertilizing, as too much nitrogen promotes leafy growth at the expense of flowers. For best results, choose a fertilizer that supports blooming with slightly higher phosphorus content. Pruning and pinching help shape your balsam plants and encourage bushier growth. When young plants reach about 6 inches tall, pinch off the top growing tip. This encourages side branching, resulting in more stems and more flowers. Remove any yellowing leaves or faded blooms regularly to keep the plant looking fresh. Deadheading is not strictly necessary because balsam self-cleans to some extent, but removing old flowers can extend blooming. Common problems with balsam are usually easy to solve. One frequent issue is powdery mildew, especially in humid regions. This appears as a white, powdery coating on leaves. To prevent it, provide good air circulation, avoid overcrowding plants, and water at the base. If mildew appears, remove affected leaves and apply a mild fungicide if necessary. Another problem can be aphids, small insects that cluster on stems and buds. They can be washed off with a strong spray of water or treated with insecticidal soap. spider mites may appear during hot, dry weather. Increasing humidity and rinsing leaves helps manage them. Slugs and snails sometimes chew on tender leaves. Hand picking or using natural deterrents works well. Yellow leaves often signal watering issues. If leaves turn yellow and feel soft, reduce watering and improve drainage. If they appear dry and crispy, increase watering frequency. Observing your plant closely helps you respond quickly before problems become serious. Balsam also makes a wonderful container plant. Choose pots with drainage holes and at least 8 to 12 inches in diameter. Place one plant per pot for best growth. Container plants require more frequent watering and feeding because nutrients wash out faster. However, they offer flexibility in design, allowing you to decorate patios, balconies, and entryways with colorful blooms. As summer progresses, balsam continues to bloom generously. In many parts of the United States, flowering lasts from early summer until the first fall frost. In warmer southern states, blooming may extend even longer. As temperatures cool, flowering gradually slows. You can collect seeds from mature pods for next year. When seed pods are fully developed, they burst open when touched, so collect them carefully into a small bag. Balsam's bright blooms attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, supporting local ecosystems. Adding balsam to your garden not only enhances beauty but also promotes biodiversity. It pairs beautifully with other annuals and perennials in mixed beds, creating vibrant color displays. Growing balsam successfully comes down to a few simple principles: warm temperatures, consistent moisture, fertile soil, moderate feeding, and good airflow. Even beginners can achieve impressive results by following these basics. Gardening is not about perfection. It is about observation and care. Each plant teaches you something new, and balsam is one of the most rewarding teachers. As you gain confidence, experiment with different colors and planting designs. Try mass planting for a dramatic effect or combine balsam with foliage plants for contrast. The joy of seeing your garden transform with vibrant blooms is truly satisfying. Now is the perfect time to start your balsam journey. With simple care and attention, you can enjoy a season full of color and growth. Gardening connects you with nature, reduces stress, and brings daily inspiration. Grow with Nature Nurture Hub and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more beginner-friendly gardening guides, seasonal flower tips, and practical plant care advice that helps you succeed every season. If you love learning about seasonal flowering plants, gardening tips, and nature care, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nature Nurture Hub, your home for year-round garden inspiration. Let's keep growing together.